yourself alone in the New York Public Library after midnight, you should leave immediately. Locals whisper about room 304, where a typewriter clicks away, though no one is there to use it. Visitors have reported chilling warnings typed out, messages about never looking back or leaving before dawn. Some who ignore the warnings vanish, their last footprints leading straight to the table with the still warm keys. Shadows flicker in the stacks, and a cold draft carries the scent of old ink. Next time you hear the rhythmic clack, remember, not everyone escapes. Follow for more chilling urban legends you'll wish you never heard.